How to use Uber Cash for Uber Eats. Now, using Uber Cash for Uber Eats is rather quite simple. Uber Cash is basically a currency that is used within Uber Eats. To basically use Uber Cash, you first have to add a balance or add a payment method to your Uber Cash. So to do that, first of all, launch Uber Eats app and make sure that you're signed into your account. Then tap on the account icon located at the bottom right corner. Then from here, you want to simply go to the option called Wallet. Now here you can see Uber Cash. So currently I do not have any Uber Cash, but if you don't, then you can tap on it and choose to add funds to Uber Cash or auto refill, or you'll be able to see those. You'll see all the details regarding your Uber Cash over here. And if you have got Uber Cash, during the order that you place, the Uber Cash will be automatically applied, or you can select pay using Uber Cash instead, and hence Uber Cash will be used on Uber Eats. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.